Hello friends, I am Damodar sir. Welcome you in your favorite academic YouTube channel Study Campus. Students, you are going to face board examination soon, term 1, and I am going to revise and do practice for science NCERT exemplar questions which are MCQ. Now let's start. Chapter number 1, chemical reaction and equations. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a physical change? Option A. Boiling of water to give water vapor. This is a physical change. B. Melting of ice to give water. This is also physical change. C. Dissolution of salt in water. This is physical change. Option D. Combustion of liquefied petroleum gas. Yes. Option D is a correct answer. This is a chemical changes. This is not a physical changes. What is a physical changes? The changes where in a new substances cannot be formed. There is change in the state, change in the color, etc. In all A, B, and C case, there is change in the state only. So this is a physical change. But in the case of D, the combustion of liquefied petroleum gas. Combustion means in the presence of oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and water. So there is a chemical reaction and there is a formation of new product. That is why option D is the correct answer. Question number 2. The following reaction is an example of ammonia plus oxygen. It forms nitrogen oxide plus water. 1. Displacement reaction. Second, combination reaction. Third, redox reaction. Fourth, neutralization reaction. Option C, 1 and third is the correct answer. How? Very simple. Since in ammonia, you see hydrogen is displaced by oxygen. So, this is a displacement reaction. In the reactivity series, oxygen is more reactive than hydrogen. The oxygen can displace hydrogen from ammonia. Yes. So this is displacement reaction. One is correct. Combination reaction? No, it cannot be combination reaction. As you know, when two or more than two reactant, it forms single product. This is a combination reaction. Third, redox reaction. Yes, here there is oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. The both reactions are going. That is why this is redox reaction. Fourth, neutralization reaction. No, since in this reaction there is no acid, there is no base reaction. In the neutralization reaction, as you know, there is a combination of acid and base. It forms neutralization reaction. So what is the correct statement here? The option C, 1 and third. It means displacement reactions and redox reaction. This is the right answer, friends. Question number 3. Which of the following statements about a given reactions are correct? Iron plus water, it forms iron oxide plus hydrogen. 1. Iron metal is getting oxidized. Yes, this is correct statement. Second, water is getting reduced. Yes, this is also correct statement. Third, water is acting as reducing agent. No, this is incorrect statement. Fourth, water is acting as oxidizing agent. Yes, since water is getting reduced, so it is acting as a oxidizing agent. It means option A, 1, second and third. No. B, third and fourth. No. C, option 1, second and fourth. Yes, this is correct answer. The correct answer is C, option C. Okay. Next, question number 4. Which of the followings are exothermic process? First, you know what is exothermic process? The reactions in which heat energy released is called exothermic process. The option 1, reaction of water with quicklime. Yes, in this case, there is a rela- reaction of quicklime with water. Heat energy release. B means second, dilution of an acid. Yes, in this case also heat energy is released. Evaporation of water बिल्कुल नहीं. Sublimation of camphor no. तो देखिए ऑप्शन 1 and 2 ए, ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज ए करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. 3 beakers level A, B and C, क्लियर है, is containing 25 ml of water taken, ठीक है, and a small amount of NaOH, anhydrous copper sulfate and NaCl were added to the beakers A, B and C. देखिए आपके पास 3 बीकर, देयर 3 बीकर्स A, B and C. 25 ml वाटर, ए में डाला आपने NaOH, बी में कॉपर सल्फेट, एनहाइड्रस कॉपर सल्फेट, सी में NaCl. स्वाभाविक है, आफ्टर रिएक्शन व्हाट डू यू ऑब्जर्व? ऑप्शन 1 देखिए, इन अ बीकर ए एंड बी एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस हैज अकर्ड. ये बिल्कुल, लेट्स सी. यस, आई थिंक चूंकि बी, इन ए एंड बी एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस हैज अकर्ड, माने हीट एनर्जी रिलीज हो रहा है इस केस में. क्या स्टेटमेंट सही है? वी हैव टू सी दिस स्टेटमेंट. सेकेंड, in beaker A and B, endothermic process has occurred. Okay. In beaker C, exothermic process has occurred. 4. In beaker C, endothermic process has occurred. देखिए 4 ऑप्शन तो सही है फ्रेंड्स. C is the right answer. First and 4 means that is the right answer. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 6. A dilute ferrous sulfate solution was gradually added to the beaker containing acidified permanganate solution. Okay. The light purple color of the solution fades and finally disappears. Which of the following is the correct explanation for the observation? देखिए बहुत सिंपल है. A, potassium permanganate is an oxidizing agent. It oxidizes ferrous sulfate. B, ferrous sulfate acts oxidizing agent and oxidize potassium permanganate. C, the color disappears due to dilution. No reaction is involved. D, potassium permanganate is unstable compound and decomposes in the presence of ferrous sulfate to colorless compound. Option A is a correct answer. Correct option. Potassium permanganate is an oxidizing agent and it oxidizes ferrous sulfate. Right. Question number 7. Which of the following are double displacement reactions? Option A means 1, Pb plus copper chloride. It forms lead chloride plus copper. Second, sodium sulfate plus barium chloride forms barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. C, carbon plus oxygen carbon dioxide. D, methane plus oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide plus water. D. Which are double displacement reaction? Double displacement reaction, it means the reaction where an exchange of ion takes place. Exchange of ion takes place between the reactant. तो देखिए, तो ऑप्शन 2 ये सही है ना? ऑप्शन 2 only, that is a right answer, means B only 2 only, that is a right answer, B. ओके. 1 क्यों नहीं? क्योंकि डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन है. थर्ड में क्या है? कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शन है. ओके. फोर्थ हो ही नहीं सकता है. द राइट आंसर इज बी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Which among the following statements are true? Exposure of silver chloride to sunlight for long duration turns gray due to Yes, this is an example of decomposition reaction in the presence of sunlight. Okay, the formation of silver by decomposition of silver chloride. ये वन बिल्कुल सही है. Sublimation of silver chloride बिल्कुल नहीं. थर्ड, decomposition of chlorine gas from the silver chloride, ये भी नहीं हो सकता. डी, oxidation of silver chloride, no. The only option one only, that is a correct answer. The formation of silver by decomposition of silver chloride. Question number 9. Electrolysis of water is a decomposition reaction. The mole ratio of hydrogen and oxygen gas liberated during electrolysis of water is H2O, hydrogen and oxygen. And two parts of hydrogen and one part of oxygen. It means 2 is to 1. B. Correct answer is B, 2 is to 1. Question number 10. Which of the following gases can be used for storage of fresh sample of an oil for a long time? A. Carbon dioxide or oxygen? No. B. Nitrogen or oxygen? No. C. Carbon dioxide or helium? No. D. Helium or nitrogen? Yes. Helium and nitrogen both acts as an antioxidant to prevent the oxidation of fresh sample of NaL for long time. Okay, we can keep safe and preserve it. This is a helium or nitrogen. D. The option D is the correct answer. Question number 11. The sodium solid calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to form calcium hydroxide, so accompanied by liberation of heat. This process is called slacking of lime. The calcium hydroxide dissolved in water to forms a solution called lime water. Which among the following is or are true about slacking of lime and the solution form? Very simple. देखिए, solid है calcium oxide. It is also called quicklime. It reacts vigorously with water. It forms calcium hydroxide solution. You have observed that time the huge amount of heat energy released like a fire. So that is exothermic reactions. Okay. The option second that is exothermic reaction. Since it forms slacking of lime means calcium hydroxide. CaOH 2. It means this is a calcium hydroxide, basic in nature. If it is a basic, it means the pH value of solution slacking of lime is more than 7. Okay. The options second and third. Where is it? Yes. Question number. I think this is a B. The option B is the right answer. Okay. Students. Yeah. Question number 12. Barium chloride on reacting with ammonium sulfate forms barium sulfate and ammonium chloride. Which of the following correctly represents the types of reaction involved? 1. Displacement reaction. 2nd. Precipitation reaction. 3rd. Combination reaction. 4th. Double displacement reaction. देखिए, displacement reaction A, this is not. Yes. B. Precipitation reaction. Yes, there is a precipitation reaction. C. Combination reaction. It cannot be. 4. Double displacement reaction. Yes, since barium chloride is reacting with ammonium sulfate, it forms barium sulfate and ammonium chloride. Here there is a precipitation reaction and double displacement reaction. Second and 4. The option D. Option D is the correct answer. Second and 4. Okay. Question number 13. Which of the following is or are an endothermic process? Dilution of sulfuric acid. 1. Second, sublimation of dry ice. Third, condensation of water vapors. 4. Evaporation of water. देखिए, dilution of sulfuric acid. In this case, heat energy release. This is exothermic process, not endothermic. Clear है? Second, sublimation of dry ice. Yes, in the case of sublimation, solid change into gaseous form. Okay, for that we have to provide heat energy. That is endothermic process. The second is endothermic process, sublimation of dry ice. See, Third one, condensation of water vapors. Condensation means water vapor converted into liquid forms. That time heat energy is released. It means it cannot be endothermic. It can be exothermic process. For evaporation of water, yes, water is liquid. When you provide heat energy, means we we are providing heat energy. It converted into water vapor. It means that is endothermic process. Option A, 1 and 2 third, no. B, 2 only, no. C, third only, no. D, second and 4, yes. The option D is the correct answer. Option D, okay. Question number 14. In a double displacement reaction between aqueous potassium iodide and aqueous lead nitrate, a yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. While performing the activity, the lead nitrate is not available. Which of the following can be used in the place of lead nitrate? Yes. A. Lead sulfate? No. B. Lead acetate? Yes. C. Ammonium nitrate? No. D. Potassium sulfate? No. So what is the correct answer? Lead acetate. Yes. B. Question number 15. Which one of the following process involved chemical reactions? A. Storing of oxygen gas under pressure in gas cylinder? No. B. Liquefaction of air? No. C. Keeping petrol in a china dish in the open? No. D. Heating copper wire in the presence of air at high temperature? Yes, it is a correct answer. D. Okay. Question number 15. The following reaction is used for preparation of oxygen gas in the laboratory. Potassium chlorate, when you supply heat in the presence of catalyst, it gives potassium chloride plus water. Which of the following statement is correct about a reaction? It is a decomposition reaction and endothermic in nature. Okay, since we are supplying heat energy, so there is decomposition reaction. What is a decomposition reaction? As you know, in the case of decomposition reaction, a single reactant converted into two product. Okay, yeah, more than two product. The option A is a correct answer. It is decomposition reaction and endothermic in nature. Question number 17. Which of the following chemical equations, the abbreviation represent the correct states of reactant and the products involved at reaction temperature? In a standard case, there is a formation of water. It means hydrogen exists in the gaseous form, oxygen also exists in the gaseous form, and water in the liquid. The option C, that is a correct answer. Okay, so friends, I hope you enjoyed today class, and if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will meet you with the next video. So far, stay tuned. Jai Hind.